Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Horton number C9156 wiring harness. Got your potentiometer here. This is for your 7000 easy access swinger, 7600 series bifold. And this video is to primarily serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Power, and the balance of your connections. Not really much in the way to say about this wiring harness, but the video is to serve at least as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. A couple of basic dimensions. Overall width of the bracket, about 1 3/4 inches. Overall height of the bracket, about 2 inches. Power leads, then a total of 6 punch down or connectors. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Horton products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Horton? This is their part number C9156 wiring harness, or any other Horton product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.